profitable. And we can look that the revenue is looking kind of good over here, but we can see that the performance last year not so good. The return on assets, the return on equity, the return on capital, all close to the negative 10% range. It is difficult to establish if HEXO has efficiently used shareholders' funds last year. Return on equity greater than 20%, and it is loss making. It is difficult to establish if HEXO has efficiently used its assets last 3 years. In the last year compared to the U.S. pharmaceutical industry average, the return on assets as it is loss making. It is difficult to establish if HEXO improved its use of capital last year versus 3 years ago. Return on capital employed as it is currently loss making. We can look at the health of this company. This company is looking rather healthy. We can see in the long term, the short term, but the net worth is actually from the liabilities to the assets. We can see that HEXO is able to meet its short-term 1-year commitments with its holdings of cash and other short-term assets. HEXO has no long-term commitments. This is good news. We can see the net worth increasing. This is good. Debt is very little. HEXO has no debt. See, this is beautiful. HEXO currently has no debt. However, we can't compare to 5 years ago as we have no data for that period. HEXO has no debt. It does not need to be covered by operating cash flow. HEXO has no debt, therefore coverage of interest payments is not a concern. And we can see the dividend. This company is offering no dividends. Zero, zilch, nada, zero. It's unable to evaluate HEXO's dividend yield against bottom 25% of dividend payers, as the company has not reported any payouts. Unable to evaluate HEXO's dividend against the top 25% market benchmark, as the company has not reported any payouts. It's unable to perform a dividend volatility check, as it has not been reporting any payouts. Unable to verify if HEXO's dividend has been increasing, as the company has not reported any payouts. So it's unable to calculate sustainability of dividends, as HEXO has not reported any payouts. It's an efficient estimate data to determine if a dividend will be paid in 3 years and that it will be sustainable. These are all, we could see that it just refuses to pay out dividends. What's up with that? What is the CEO of HEXO's salary, the management, and the board of directors' tenure, and is there insider trading? So we can see here, let's refresh this page. For some reason, the image is not popping up over here.